welcome to Tongue Ticklers. Today's tongue tickler is Frankie. Do you like creative recipes so you can turn your leftover curries into exciting food to enjoy with your family? Then this recipe is for you. If you are new to our channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button now so you don't miss out on our tongue tickling recipes. Okay, I'm making chicken Frankie today with the chicken curry I have in my fridge. But you can make this with vegetable, paneer or meat curries, stir fries, salads that you have. Other simple ingredients are dough made from 2 cups of whole wheat flour or atta, but you can also use all-purpose flour or maida. Some grated cheese, 2 eggs, 1 small onion chopped, but this is optional, half a lemon, and 3 teaspoons of Szechuan sauce. But you can also use tomato or barbecue sauce. So let's get started. First, let's crack the eggs in a bowl. Add salt according to taste and some pepper, around half teaspoon. Squeeze the half lemon into the eggs. This will give the eggs some tartness and it tastes really delicious. Let's just blend the eggs. Okay, I have taken chicken curry for the Frankie, so I'm just shredding it into smaller pieces. This is going to make the Frankie easy to eat. Now, let's get to rolling the dough. To make a roti, take a small piece of the dough and shape it into a ball. Give this a good dip in the flour so it is not very sticky. Now, using a rolling pin, let's roll it into a circle. Feel free to use more dry flour if the dough gets sticky. Roll until the roti is about 1 millimeter thick. Okay, now to cook the roti, heat a pan or a griddle on the stove. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and spread it all over the pan. On a medium flame, cook the roti on both sides. Now once the roti is cooked on both the sides, take it off the pan, and to the same pan I'm going to add 1/3 of the beaten eggs. Now quickly place the cooked roti on the egg. This is going to create a layer of egg on the roti. Once cooked, flip it and now spread half a teaspoon of Szechuan sauce. Remember to turn the flame to low at this point because we will be putting the fillings on, so we don't want the roti to burn. Now place your choice of curry in the center, in this case chicken curry. Add some cheese and the chopped onions. Now let's fold the roti over the fillings from both the sides to make a wrap. Press down firmly with the ladle for about 3 to 5 seconds, and this will keep the wrap intact. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil on the top and bottom of the wrap and cook on low flame for about 45 seconds. Now flip and cook for another 45 seconds. Okay, this delicious Frankie is ready to be enjoyed with some tomato or mint sauce. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video. Let us know which filling you tried in the comments below. To make sure you don't miss out on our tongue-tickling recipes, please subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you again with a new tongue-tickling recipe.